So ayan guys, natanggalan ko nila ng ating bahay namin kasi dalahin ko sa Lensong. Kasi guys, nalayas na kami dyan. Ayan.
Hi guys, mag-akain po tayo.
So guys, Mama Tom.
Hello guys.
Mama Aro guys.
Kain po.
So ayan guys, ramakat nilawi guys. Mang.
Dito, sa inyo, princess.
Guys, this is my pretty Lola guys. My Lola, she's very pretty. My pretty bunso and then my ate guys. And